U.S. judge in Delaware on Friday heard TikTok's bid to dismiss a lawsuit brought by the parents of 5 British children who died while allegedly attempting online challenges promoted on the platform.
It's groundbreaking.
The families, who travelled from the United Kingdom, gathered outside the courthouse before entering for the hearing. The case centers on allegations that TikTok's algorithm pushed dangerous content to children, including the so-called blackout challenge, which encourages users to choke themselves until they lose consciousness.
It was very hard to listen to that, because actually I was quite strong, and then I felt really emotional because it's our children that we've lost, and they're saying, well, it doesn't matter because it's not their responsibility what's on their platform. It's our children that have been harmed on their platform, and that is fundamentally wrong, in my opinion. Well, certainly in my case, and I know with the other British parents, is that they didn't have mental health problems. They were on a platform playing and having fun in their eyes. They didn't have mental health problems that, I don't know, it's fundamentally wrong.
Nothing was wrong until they downloaded that app. I'm sorry. Nothing was wrong until they downloaded TikTok on their phones with our permission, because TikTok made out that it was safe for a 13-year-old to have TikTok. That's the bottom line. That's why we're here. We just want the truth, and this company are doing everything they can to prevent us from getting to the truth. Every single trick in the book. And that's what we're here for.
And the fact that we've come all the way from England, we don't want to have to come here, and they're saying, well, we should sue in England. You know, they're incorporated here. We came here to hold them to account, and we've travelled, you know, across the pond to get here to make a point.
And it's highly addictive, and it's not fit for purpose. It's just no way fit for purpose. All our children were happy, and we've handed them a device in good faith, and social media have taken our children away, and it needs to be ramped up. Laws need to be changed, because why are we all standing here? Because we care about what's happened to our children and the future of the children as well.
And we don't.
These children were on TikTok. Unbeknownst to their parents, they became addicted to TikTok, not because they did anything wrong, but because TikTok worked as it was intended to do. And the way TikTok generates engagement is not by showing you what you want to see, but what you can't look away from. And we know from human psychology that psychologically discordant material, difficult material, disturbing material triggers a greater dopamine hit than benign material. And as a consequence of the deliberate design decisions that TikTok made, these children were subjected to blackout challenges, telling them that it would be cool to tie a ligature around their neck, and experienced euphoria when it was released. And tragically, but predictably, the children passed out, and they did not have the ability to release the ligature. And that's why we're here today.
TikTok has said it strictly prohibits content that encourages dangerous behavior and has expressed sympathy for the families. The company previously won the dismissal of a similar lawsuit in 2022 involving the death of a 10-year-old girl. The judge has not yet ruled on whether this case will proceed.